Welcome back. Goa Horticulture Corporation's project on flowers sale might face resistance from the private vendors. The corporation plans to provide flowers, exotic vegetables and fruits at a lower price. But the vendors say government is killing the traditional business by opening outlets and selling product at cheaper rates when the purchase rate itself is high. This is how the traditional market has reacted.
आमकां खूब लुकसाणूच जाता आतां गव्हर्मेंटान घातले न्ही ते म्हणजे आमकां लुकसाणूच हांगा बाजाराक कोण येना लोक फकत गिरायकाक आमी विचारल्यार कांय व्हरना रे ना आमकां हांगा मेळटा थंय मेळटा अशें करता अशें करून आमकां बाजारान लोकूच येना एक गव्हर्मेंटाचे गाड्यार घालून न्ही आमची सगळी वाट लायल्या गरिबांची
तो आमकां सवाय दिता जाल्यार आमी घेता ती पळय सवाय रस्त्यार घालता तो ती आमकां दी आमी दिता सवाय तें ना न्हू हय
सो घालपाची गरज
ना आमी विकता सवाय हाडून आमकां ती घालता न्हू तो सवाय ती झाडांनी आमकां घाल
खूब लुकसाण जाता बाबा आमकां कितें आतां 5,000चो वेपार हाडलो हांगा 2,000 तयार जायना थंय वयतून फारीक करचें पडटा एक वेपार कितलो हाडलो कितलो केलो कांयच हांगा येना पयशेच जायना न्हू हाडून लोक भायर घेता आनी वयता.
These vendors procure vegetables, flowers and fruits in wholesale from other states. It costs them high rates due to transportation cost and intermediate trading, leading to lower profit margins. Horticulture Corporation's project might turn to be the last nail in coffin.
You know, daily rate येता ते बाजार कशे जाता ते भशेन येता हय डेली जे रेट चेंज आसता ते केन्ना 6 आसता केन्ना 15 आसले केन्ना 5 आसता.
आमी प्रायवेट हाडून कसलो आमचे कडेन फायदो ना हांगा 4 आनी हाडपाचे हांगा 2 आनी विकपाचे.
तुमी सुबेज रेटी मारता
आमी सुबेज दीत ना सगळ्यांपेक्षा आमी सवाय दिता हांगासर
येता वेपार भायल्यान 3,000 2,700 3,200 अशे बॉक्सां येता आपोलांची दाळीम कशें पडटा 140 रुपयांनी पडटा जाल्यार विकपाचे अर्दे कुसता अर्दे बरें उरता जाल्यार तशें विकचें पडलें न्ही तो कोण पळय जर धंदो करता ताका इतले म्हारग सून हाडटा ताकाच खबर आसता कशें विकूंक जाय आनी कशें करपाक जाय पळय ते
सवाय दिवंक सोदता मागीर हाय रेटीन येता ती थंयच्यान फुलां ही आतां पळय रोजां आसा 80-90 रुपया किलो ही ती लिली म्हणटी आसा ती 150 रुपया किलो मागीर आनी कशें घेवपाचें फुलां सांग.
Although the corporation plans to have its own outlets in city areas, it has not received any response from the entrepreneurs despite publicity. Devendra Gaonkar with Vishwanath Nene for Prudent.
SSC results of 2014 will be declared on 25th May on Sunday. Candidates appeared for the examination will be able to collect their passing certificate and statement of grade from 7 centres for 12 talukas on 26th May. Around 12 websites will be accessed by candidates to check their results. 19,965 candidates have appeared for SSC exams.
After 12 examination results, it's now SSC exam results, which is widely awaited. The wait is over. SSC examination results will be out on 25th May at 4:30 in the evening. Distribution of passing certificate and statements of grade marks will be held at 7 centres for 12 talukas. The centres are Murmugaon, St. Andrews Institute Vasco, Kankona Salset, Loyola High School Margaon, Kepen Sange, SES High School Kurchore, Ponda Dharbondara, AJD Almeida High School Ponda, Tiswadi, Progress High School Panji, बारदेस पेरने ध्यान प्रसारक विद्यालय मापसा, बिचोली सत्तरी, Progress High School Sakri. And these are the website, SMS and IVRS wherein the candidates can locate their result. Results.amarujala.com, brainbox.com, knowyourresults.com, manabadi.com, 99results.com, bharatstudent.com, indiaresults.com, schools9.com, examtech.com, examresults.net, goaeducation.net, results.goaeducation.net. For SMS, call 58888 or dial *588#. SMS Goa 10 space seat number to 5676750. SMS GB 10 space seat number to 54242. SMS Goa 10 space seat number to 56263. The last date for accepting the application for the following in the board office shall be as under: re-evaluation of answer script 3rd June 2014, verification of marks in presence of parents guardian 3rd June 2014, supply photocopies of answer books 20th June 2014, Verification of marks in absentia presentia, 24 June 2014. This year, 19,965 candidates have appeared for SSC board exams, which include 9,849 girls and 10,116 boys. Last year, the overall passing percentage was 85.34%. Chairman of the Goa board will address media at 4:30 on 25th May evening. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Senior citizens, the beneficiaries of state-run DSS scheme, are facing a tough time at Goa State Cooperative Bank's branch in Valpoi. They say bank officials harass them. These old-age beneficiaries flock to the bank every month to collect a sum of 2,000. They don't have proper transport, no proper waiting room. They complain of being taken for granted by the bank officials. Have a look.
खंयसून येयला नागवेसून येयला केन्ना येयला तूं हांगासर 8 येयला कितलो टायम लागता हांगा पयशे मेळपाक तुमकां हांगासर बसपाक जागो ना कांय ना तुमकां त्रास जाता हांगासर पावसा दिसांनी हांगा तुमी खंय रावतली म्हणून आनी उबे रावपाचें ना.
These senior citizens walk to the bank at about 6 in the morning. They wait at the bank for hours together till they get their sum. They don't have proper transport, don't have a waiting room to sit, don't even have a proper place to stand. Their fear is situation will be more worse during monsoon.
बरोबर कितलो टायम लागता हांगा पयशे मेळपाक तुमकां 2-3 बी जाता 3 बी मागीर तुमी हांगा जेवता खंयसर जेविना सकाळी कशी येतात तुमी नाल्यार येयली बेगीन येत जाल्यार हांगा पयशे बेगीन बी मेळटा अशें आसा ना टायम सद्दी लेट जाता बँकवाले तुमकां फुडें घेयना फुडें कितें म्हणटा ते फुडें येवं नाका म्हणटा घेयना भितर भायर बसा म्हणटा.
These beneficiaries claim of being ill-treated by the bank officials. They are asked to stand last in the queue, made to stay in the queue for long hours till they get their money.
लागी रावं नाका म्हणटा भितर घेयना ओके पावसा दिसान तुमकां कितें आहा पावसा दिसान हांगासर शेड जाय पावसान तुमकां हांगा बसपाक मेळचें ना आनी जेवपाचें तुमचें हांगा जेवंक बिवंक पावना तुमकां ओके तुमकां दुसरे कडेन पयशांचे बंदोबस्त करीत जाल्यार तुमी वयतले थंयसर त्या बँकेन बेगीन मेळटा खबर आहा तुमकां.
These senior citizens seem not aware about the other options to claim their money.
तुमी दुसऱ्या बँकेन करीत जाल्यार वयतली थंय दुसरे कडेन करतली बेगीन जाता जाल्यार वयतली.
We tried to contact the manager of the bank to know the other side of the story, but nobody was available for comments. Dinesh Karpe from Valpoi for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.